In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the activity log in WordPress for your website. Keeping track of your website's activity is essential for monitoring changes, diagnosing potential issues, and ensuring the security of your site. The activity log in WordPress provides a detailed record of all the events happening on your site, like logins, updates, and edits, giving you complete visibility into the actions taken. Whether you're managing a personal blog or a business website, this feature is invaluable. Now, let's dive right in and get started. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can create one using the link in the description to get started. It's quick and easy to sign up. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your WordPress website. Once your site has loaded, look for the login option. This is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the sign-in interface where you can access your account. Next, enter your WordPress account credentials. If you prefer, you can also use the Continue with Google option if your account is linked to a Google login. Using this option provides a convenient single sign-on process. Just make sure you're selecting the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple Google profiles. This will prevent any mix-ups that could lead to login issues. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your website. From here, locate the Jetpack section. Jetpack is a powerful plugin that offers various features to enhance your site, and its activity log functionality is exactly what we need for this tutorial. If you're having trouble spotting it, look for links or visual indicators referencing Jetpack, as its location may vary slightly depending on your dashboard setup. Once you've found the Jetpack section, click on it to access its features. This will open a range of tools and settings available through the plugin. Among these, look for the activity log feature. Go ahead and click on it. The activity log is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of all the key events on your website. This includes logins, content changes, plugin updates, and more, making it a crucial tool for site management. Now that you're on the activity log page, take some time to review the records displayed. Here you can monitor all recent actions that have taken place on your site. This is particularly useful for tracking any unauthorized changes, understanding who made specific updates, and identifying potential issues before they escalate. By regularly reviewing this log, you can maintain tighter control over your website's security and performance. And there you have it. You've now learned how to access and review the activity log in WordPress using the Jetpack plugin. This is an excellent way to keep an eye on what's happening on your website and ensure everything is running smoothly. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.